Hello everyone, Way Cool here, and today we're going to look at quadratic equations. This is the question. Convert the following from vertex form to standard form. Now quadratic equation comes in basically two forms, and these are vertex form, which is y equal a in parentheses x minus h squared plus k, and standard form, which is y equal ax squared plus bx plus c. So the question is given in the vertex form, and we need to convert it to the standard form. Now our first step, what we need to do is that since whatsoever is inside this bracket right here is squared, it simply means that we're going to multiply whatsoever is inside the bracket or the parentheses by itself. So for example, if we had 4 squared, what that means is that we're going to multiply 4 times 4. So anything that is inside of the parentheses, as long as it is squared, it simply means that we're going to multiply itself by itself. So in this case, we will have something like this. Y equal, in parentheses, x plus 5 times x plus 5 again in parentheses. And then we have our minus 12. From here, we could use a process where we call FOIL. That means first, outside, inside, last. Okay, so we will explain. That is just a way as to how we can simplify whatsoever is in brackets. Okay, so this is how it works. Using this same equation, we're going to show the process of FOIL. So what we need to do first is that we're going to multiply the x terms together, and in this case we will have x squared, right? So first term with first term. Next we have x times 5, and in this case we're going to have 5x. The next we're going to have 5x again, and then the last step we're going to have is 5 times 5, and that will allow us to get 25 as a result. So if you look at it, it's going to be x squared, which is x times x, and then x times 5. Then we have 5 times x, and then 5 times 5. With that being said, we will now show our result. And the new equation is y equal x squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 25 minus 12. From this point, we will group all the like terms so we can simplify the equation. The first like term would be the x's, where we have 5x plus 5x. That will give us 10x. And then we have the numbers here, 25 minus 12, which would be 13. So our final equation would be y equal x squared plus 10x plus 13. And that will be the answer to the question. So we have converted from the vertex form to the standard form. And this is it right here. Hope this helps. Thank you and goodbye.